Hey, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a new model available from us. This is a 2024 Scout 215 XSF. Starting off with the boat's exterior, beautiful cream-colored Scout white gel coat, silver pinstripe, white rub rail with stainless steel insert. Looks beautiful with the matching interior and powder coating. This is the Magic Tilt trailer that comes prepared with the welded bunks that are designed for this hull. So if you have a trailer, you've got one that's a perfect fit from day one. Swim platforms have the C-deck foam material on both sides, along with a reboarding ladder to starboard and a stainless steel grab rail as you enter. And now we'll make our way inside. So here in the cockpit on Scout's 215 XSF, we have a double wide stern seat in the back within arm's reach of the leaning post, so it gives you something to hold on to in rougher water. You also have some cup holders that are conveniently placed right here. This seat nicely stows away, gives you a padded bolster along the back and on both sides of the gunnels if you wanted to do any fishing. We have undergunnel rod storage on both sides and a standard port side live well that's aerated. This boat is powered with a 150 horsepower 4-stroke from Yamaha with digital throttle and shift. Coming up to the helm area, leaning post with bolsters that work independently of each other. So a passenger can comfortably sit with a nice angled footrest, while the driver can do either, certainly stand in a very comfortable position. It's a very comfortable boat to operate at the helm. Steering wheel is on a tilt base with a steering knob. Again, digital throttle and shift on that Yamaha 150 and digital gauges as well. The boat has trim tabs with LED indicators. Got a 9-inch touchscreen Garmin Fusion stereo unit. Switching for our lights and pumps. A couple of cup holders on board, along with charging ports for your devices and a little recessed area to keep your phones from sliding around. Above us, we have the T-bag storage net. Great place to put your life jackets or your throwable, along with rocket launcher style rod holders on top of the hardtop. Further forward inside the console, great area for storage. It's also where your batteries and battery switch is located. You can put a porta potty on this boat if needed. And then everybody's favorite area on the 215 is the bow. So you have a U-shaped seating area up front with backrests that remove. You want to totally open up this space, especially if you're doing any fishing. And then, of course, chase lounge. Built-in armrests, comfortable and spacious seat for two, and you have great storage beneath as well. Depending on your use case, this is very deep, all finished out, insulated, so it will keep ice. You can use it as a cooler. Also a great place to just throw your boat cover for the day if you're not able to leave it behind, especially if you're keeping your boat at a marina. We have cup holders, recessed area here with some non-skid, stainless steel grab rails for some added comfort and safety. Anchor locker forward here. And then we have combo cup holder, rod holder receivers up front. So they can hold a cup, they can hold a rod, they can also hold a bow shade. So this boat is bow shade ready if you wanted to have one of those installed. That's a walkthrough on our 215 Scout XSF. Again, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. If you have any questions or interest in this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us online at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.